another lecture of Guruji coaching classes. I'm your science mentor, and today I'm going to start chapter 4 from your physics subject, that is refraction of light at plane surfaces, which we all know is a very important chapter and sometimes is a trouble for all of us. So today we make our troubles and our problems easier. Okay, and if you want me to do any particular topic, to make a video on any particular topic, please share the topic's name in the comment box. Okay, so let's begin with this chapter. Firstly, I would start with the definition of refraction. So what is this term refraction? We all know what is reflection, right? We have been doing it since 6th or 7th class, right? So let's see first what is reflection. Okay, so just imagine, children, that this is a surface and incident light falls. Now this is a technical term. What is incident light? The incident ray which is coming from the sun falls on the surface, and this is our normal. Okay, so simply we know that it will strike on this particular medium and it will go back like this, and this is our reflected ray. Now children, there is some twist in this definition. What happens is that when we are going from one medium to another medium, when we are going from one medium to another medium, what will happen? Some part of the light will get reflected, but some part will get refracted. Please mind the word refracted. So kindly look here to understand what is going to happen and why it is going to happen. So what will happen, children? In general terms, if I consider the upper part as medium 1 and the lower part as medium 2, what happens is these two mediums have different density. One of the two mediums will be rarer and another one is going to be denser. So what do you understand by the term rarer and denser? Denser and rarer means having more density, means more number of molecules there, and rarer means having less number of molecules or being less dense. So I am writing the word less dense here for rarer medium. Okay, and denser we all know that having more number of molecules. So what will happen, children? That when this ray will fall, it should have gone like this. Yes, it should have gone like this, but it does not happen. What will happen? Somehow this ray which should go like this will get deviated from its path. Means it will try to change its path. It will get deviated. So what is this deviation due to? Why this happened? And this is this deviation which we call as refraction. Suppose we'll discuss in detail, don't worry. So what will happen here? If this is going from a rarer medium to denser medium, what is going to happen? This ray will get shifted towards the normal. This ray will be shifted towards the normal, means it will go somehow like this. Yes, this will be our refracted ray. This will be our refracted ray. So I know everyone must be thinking in mind that, ma'am, why does this phenomena takes place? What is the reason for refraction to occur? So let's understand the reason for the same. Children, the reason is because the medium is changing. See, we are coming from medium 1 to medium 2. And these two mediums have different density. Medium 1 is rarer and medium 2 is denser. So what will happen here? In rarer medium, the speed of light will be different, and in medium 2, that is the denser medium, the speed of light will be different. So can anyone tell me that in rarer medium, how will the light move? Will the speed be higher? Means it it will be faster or will it be slow? So don't worry children, I'm going to tell you that in rarer medium, because we have in rarer medium, we have less molecules. Yes, we have less molecules. Rarer, I told you, means less dense. So because it is less dense, there are less molecules, the light will suffer less obstruction. The light rays will suffer less obstruction, and due to sufferance of less obstruction, what is going to happen? The speed will be higher. Speed is higher. Suppose, imagine you are moving on a road, you are sitting in a car and there is very less traffic on the road. So, you will reach faster at your destination. Tell me yes or no? Yes, of course. If the traffic is less, we will reach faster. So, same happens here. Because there are less molecules, there is less obstruction. So, the light reaches to the destination with a higher speed. Yes, so it will be moving with a higher speed in rarer medium. Now let's discuss about the denser medium also. We will draw this again. Okay, let us discuss about the denser medium. Denser medium. As I told you, in denser medium, the density is more. Means the number of molecules is more. So we have more molecules here. We have more molecules here. If the molecules are more, means there will be more obstruction. There will be more obstruction. So if there is more obstruction, the light will take more time to reach the destination. The speed will decrease. Yes, I hope you remember the formula of speed. That is distance upon time. Okay, distance upon time. So what is happening, children? See, I'm teaching you from the basics so that you understand why the reflection takes place. What is the reason for this phenomena to take place? Okay, so speed means distance upon time. Here in case of denser medium, the more molecules are there, means there are more and more obstructions there, and our light is taking more time. Light is taking more time, and in this formula we can see that speed is inversely proportional to time. So if the time will be more, speed will be less, of course. Yes, the speed will be less. If we have more time, if the light molecules, light rays are taking more time, yes, if they are taking more time, the speed will be less. Okay, so the speed will be less. So now what is happening after understanding the rarer medium and the denser medium concept, what we have concluded is, let me write the conclusion here. What we have concluded is that light travels in rarer medium with a higher speed. Yes, with high speed. While it travels in denser medium with low speed. So children, what we observe here is that the speed is decreasing. Here the speed is high, here the speed is low. So what we observe is, we observe a change in speed. What we observe here is change in speed of light. So we observe a change in speed of light here, and due to this change in speed of light, Due to this change in speed of light, what is going to happen? The light will get deviated from its path. Means the speed from which it was traveling from it changes when it enters into another medium. Now let's look at the diagram once more. Let's look at this diagram. Yes, that we just draw. Suppose this is our medium 1. This is our medium 2 again. This was rarer. This was denser. Yes, and I told you here it will move with a higher speed. So first let us draw normal. This is n normal, and this is our incident ray. So it is moving with the speed here, and we know the speed will be higher. Here the speed is high. It should have gone like this. Yes, if it would not have been disturbed, it would go like this. But from a area, means from a medium having higher speed, it comes to medium 2, which is denser, and we know in denser medium we have speed decrease. Here the speed will decrease. Due to this decrease in speed, because there is more molecules, the light will suffer more obstructions, the speed will be decreased, and therefore it will suffer a deviation in its path, to which we call as refraction. So where will this ray go? Now it will get bent towards the normal, and this is our refracted ray. This is our refracted ray. Okay, so this is our refracted ray. Now I am going to discuss the various cases where the refraction takes place. Children, this cause of refraction is very, very important. Please make sure that it is clear to you. Okay, and I have explained it in a very, very detail so that you don't have any doubts in mind. Okay, thank you for watching. With the next topic, the various aspects of refraction of light.
1 2
If you like my video, if it's proved to be helpful to you, please like and share my video, and if you are new to this channel, please subscribe my channel. Thanks a lot. Maybe this proves helpful to you.